In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor refresh rate on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Start button and type in Settings. Best result, you go back with Settings. Go ahead and select that. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, select Display. And then on the right side again, scrolling down underneath related settings, select Advanced Display. Select your monitor up at the top by clicking the drop down, and then scrolling down on that page, choose a refresh rate. Click the drop down and you can select any refresh rates that are supported by your monitor. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.